Olive oil is derived from olives and is a staple of the Mediterranean diet. The oil has many nutritional benefits when consumed, but it is also frequently applied to the skin and hair. Some of the potential benefits of olive oil for the skin include: 1. Antioxidant content. Olive oil may help prevent premature signs of aging on the skin. Olive oil acts as an antioxidant, which is a substance that prevents oxidation. Oxidation is a process that can produce free radicals, which are chemicals that can potentially damage cells and may contribute to cancer development. When applied to the skin, antioxidants may prevent premature aging. Also, some research suggests that putting olive oil on the skin after sun exposure may fight off cancer-causing cells. 2. Vitamin content. Olive oil contains the fat-soluble vitamins A, D, E, and K. Some of these vitamins are beneficial for the skin. How to use olive oil on the skin. Olive oil is an ingredient in many personal care products, including face wash, body wash, soap, and lotions. Other ways to use olive oil on the skin include moisturizer and after-sun treatment. Some people use olive oil as a moisturizing lotion by applying it directly to the skin before blotting off excess oil. Alternatively, the oil can be applied to damp skin to prevent a greasy feeling. Exfoliator. To exfoliate the face and body and treat areas of dry or scaly skin, a person can mix olive oil and sea salt to make a scrub. Eye makeup remover. Olive oil breaks down any water-resistant substances in eye makeup, allowing them to be wiped away more easily. To remove eye makeup, just add a few drops of olive oil to a cotton ball and gently wipe the eye area. Face mask. People with dry skin may see benefits from using an olive oil-based face mask. Olive oil mixed with ingredients such as egg white, honey, or ground oats can soften and hydrate the face. Wrinkle treatment. Due to its antioxidant content, olive oil may reduce aging skin and wrinkles. The oil can be dabbed around the eye area at night or following sun exposure. Olive oil may also be used to prevent or treat stretch marks.